India's National Center for Seismology (NCS) reported a magnitude 5.2 quake in Tajikistan near Murgab, Gorno-Badakhshan, only 5 minutes ago. The earthquake hit around noon on Thursday, December 14, 2023, at 1 p.m. local time at an intermediate depth of 96.9 kilometers. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report.